In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to make objects glow in Premiere Pro. To do that, first of all, I'm going to create a rectangular shape and I'm going to draw it around my subject or my object. And then head over to Essential Graphics and then change the fill color to whatever color I want the glow to be. And then head over to the timeline and then change the positions of the object on the track so that the subject appears on top of the rectangle. And then I'm going to head over to Effects and search for Gaussian Blur. And then click and drag the effect onto the rectangle and head over to Effect Controls and increase the blurriness value depending on how much glow you want. Now this is basically an outer glow. If you want to add an inner glow, all you need to do is to head over to Effects again and then search for glow. And then you're going to get this V arrow glow. Click and drag that onto the subject or the object. And then when you look at the subjects, you see that there's a glow on it already. And then when you head over to Effects Controls, you can control the intensity of the glow by playing with these values right here. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and do want to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.